Understanding of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting our assets like information systems, proprietary software, confidential information, and digital data from cyber attacks that can hurt the CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, triad of an organization. Cyber attacks are usually used for accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. CIA triad. The confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information are important to the operations of your company. Hence, effective protection of digital assets begins with the principles of the CIA triad. Confidentiality signifies that only authorized people should have access to private information, and it should not be shared with unauthorized people. Integrity means maintaining the consistency, accuracy, and trustworthiness of the information whenever it is shared between authorized stakeholders. Availability signifies that the information should be always available to all authorized people. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and bell icon for more videos about understanding cybersecurity.